Like most moms, I too believe eating well supports child's growth and development. And like most kids, Gurbani too loves and enjoys fancy food. And you know what? It's not a problem for me anymore, as I found a nutritional supplement that now goes in all her fancy food. And so today on the menu are some delicious Groviva Kulfis. So for the Kulfis, I'm taking 1/4 cup of milk, adding a teaspoon of corn flour to it. Boiling 2 cups of milk separately and adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to it. Giving it a good boil and adding some fresh cream to it. And of course, the 2 scoops of Groviva. Gurbani is enjoying a supplement and I don't mind because it is enriched with probiotics that inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria which can cause serious infection. Moreover, it contains calcium that helps in maintaining bone and teeth health. And tada! We have Kulfis that ensure bone growth, muscle mass, height and weight gain. So be it her ice creams, puddings, dosa or even her rotis, 2 scoops of Groviva twice a day fulfills daily requirements of nutrients that she might be missing on. Groviva definitely comes as a huge support to me as it takes care of my kids' physical growth, immunity and brain development. And so a healthy baby makes a happy mama.